What is up, guys? We're back here on our channel again. We have Jason Odette. We got myself. We have a little surprise. We got new bikes. I have the Ambush, and he has the Dread. We're basically gonna do another biking video, and he's gonna be the cameraman since I don't drive very well with one-handed.
They forgot to take a train track out of the ground, and it still has the basically railroad crossing. I'm guessing used to be here, but that little thing over there, concrete. I'm guessing where they switched the track, because this whole thing used to be a train track. If you guys know what it knows to. But you ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, you go ahead of me.
Okay.
My bike has green wheels.
My bike has black and blue wheels.
Just don't go too fast. I can't ride that fast with one hand. Off ramp. What? I don't know.
Basically, we have a question for our subscribers.
And Corbin, that's you. Because we know you watch the videos sometimes.
You guys actually comment on the videos, because I've been wanting to take a look at the videos and comment them, but I just have a strong feeling that you guys don't really comment at all.
I'm just going to give you guys like a view around here. What it looks like when Michigan's shitty weather. You're not like, really? Like, no. Well, okay, Matthew, I'm asking a question. One word for Michigan's weather. Yeah. A whole bunch of concrete back there. And I'm going off the road.
If you guys live in Houston, you guys can hang with us on Bobby's Trail. We can ride with you guys and have time to drop you off at home and stuff like that.
True.
So,
Like Corbin.
yeah,
Because like Corbin, we're going to give you a shout out because you live literally right next to us. We were playing yesterday.
yeah. If you guys did not watch the video last time that I made on a trampoline, I was moving over toes.
And yes, Corbin, we did see your joke.
Yeah.
But you don't have to be all serious about it.
Yeah. Shout out to Corbin Hall. He's one of our 10 subscribers.
But you guys still have to comment.
Yeah.
Because we don't have no clue who you guys are.
No.
I'm going to get back over here because I'm going to you off the road. You guys are like, what's that road? It's a trail. I don't give a crap.
We take it as a road because we drive inside the road a lot. And we have our other bikes since mine broke and his broke. Since last summer.
Basically.
Yeah.
Actually, I rode mine in the fall.
I just did.
Then mine broke, so I was like, well, I'm not riding that anymore.
Then now he rides a skateboard.
Yeah, not anymore, since I got a brand new bike.
Yeah.
And I don't know when it's going to happen, but I might move back in.
To Hillsdale.
Probably the summer. Last month. My dad's house.
Oh, that's the wind.
You guys are all cool, warm, and cozy at home, probably. We're freezing our butts off out here. It's all we can go look at the lake hall. We have to go over here because there's a trail that we can take out like this. Smooth.
Oh, nice and smooth.
I know, look how crappy, but this is what happens when you live in Michigan. You know what, guys? It's supposed to be spring. This don't look like spring. But Michigan, this looks like spring. Michigan's weather is a gamble. One day it could be snowing, like 5 minutes later it could be raining, and then it could be hailing. Basically, I mean, it'll be like 50 degrees the next day with no snow. Yeah, I've lived in here before. I've lived in Michigan for 14 years. And yes, I am 14, and he's turning 13. Okay. Huh?
He kept on cutting me off when I came over my side.
Oh God! I about fell. No one's here, of course, because we're the only crazy guy. But it's out here. So I said the F word really loud earlier. My dad heard me. He said, "Don't say that." I was like, "Sorry." It's probably cold. What about a kid? Well, that's ah. We might need to get home. It might start raining. Well, the water's higher than it used to be because of the rain.
Yeah.
No, and all the snow melting.
No, it's higher.
Huh?
It's higher.
No, I said that. Look out there. I can barely see that house that's way down. And I can barely see it too, and I'm standing here. Look at this tree, I'm guessing this one fell. Because it's right there.
It got chopped down.
No, bro, it looks like it fell. The whole tree looks like this.
Stop right there.
Yeah, no, it looks like it actually just got cut. They might just cut it down and it fell in the water. And they had to go get all the pieces out of there.
Basically, guys, this is...
We're like the only ones here.
Yeah,
It's really only crazy enough to come when it's probably about to storm.
this is basically what we have to deal with. And stuff like that.
And we might have to start heading home because it looks like it is about to rain. Like, I want another thunderstorm. I know that sounds crazy, but we haven't had one of those forever. And thunder just is a soothing sound. Not when it goes like really loud. Wow, there's an actual car over there. Can't believe there's actually other people here besides us. We have to be back at 2 anyways. I don't know, I can't check.
But guys, basically, this is our Bobby's Lake in Hillsdale.
This wind is...
It's pretty bad coming off the freaking...
The lake? Yeah, the lake wind is cold as crap.
And
We thought it was worse over there.
It's way worse. It's when you're closer to the water.
So that makes it more windy.
Yeah.
Maybe we used to cook on these when you come out here.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm pausing the video so I can check what time it is.
I'll pause the video. Well, guys, that was our video for today. So we're gonna have to end off a little bit. Like, subscribe, hit that comment button, comment down to where you want us to go inside Hillsdale, and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe for more, and see you tomorrow.